Hi guys, we're almost reaching the end of our Hokkaido trip. Throughout this journey, we stayed at 4 different accommodations, including a homestay. And each place gave us a different experience along the way. For our 5th and final stay, we'll be spending our last 3 nights at the Knot Sapporo. Since this was our final stop of the trip, we decided to splurge a little and book their deluxe room with a king bed. When choosing a hotel, one of the main things I always looked at is actually the room size. For me, having enough space to open my luggage comfortably is quite important. I personally don't like opening my luggage on the bed that I'm going to sleep on. It just doesn't feel very hygienic to me. So, having proper luggage space is one of those small details that can really make a difference, especially when I'm staying for several nights. Amenities we have to go down and take. Right here it doesn't have, they told us to go down to the reception area. And a very huge mirror over here. Oh, my favorite!
放在这个最后面呢。
我那边是挂衣服的地方啊。
挂大衣的地方。
哦，蛮省一下哦。
这个顶着，所以算太麻烦了，你要继续打。还有拖鞋。
还有拖鞋，还有衣服。One unique thing about the Knot Sapporo is their coin system. Each guest receives 3 coins per night, and these coins can be used at their lounge for tea and snacks. Since we stayed for 3 nights, we actually had 18 coins altogether. But funny enough, we completely forgot to use them because this isn't something we usually expect from hotels. Most of the time, we were out exploring until late, and by the time we came back, we would usually grab some food and snacks outside before heading back to the room to rest. Still, I thought it was such a cute little perk for guests. So over here at this corner, we have charging bar. We have USB charging bar and these 2. So I'm charging my camera just now. And then we have a fridge right here. The fridge is so modern. There's a glass door in it. How do you open this? Okay. Is it cold? It's actually not really cold. Okay. Some hotels you have to switch on the on button, then only the refrigerator will work. We have a mini safe box right here. A very mini one. Cannot even put an iPad in it. And there's this standing light out of nowhere, just right here. Maybe it's just part of the decoration, the interior deco, I guess. And the TV, how to turn on the TV? Is there a control? Yeah, there's a control. Okay, let me switch on the TV. Honestly, one of the biggest reasons we chose this hotel was the location. It is located around the Susukino area, which is one of the liveliest areas in Sapporo. It's also within walking distance to the famous Nikka Whiskey Sign Junction, which is probably one of the most recognizable spots in Sapporo. For a convenience lover like myself, having a Seiko Mart right on the ground floor of the hotel was honestly so convenient. And just opposite the hotel, there's Mega Don Quixote that opens 24 hours. It was both convenient and dangerous because it's way too easy to walk in and spend money there. The hotel also has direct access to Pole Town and underground shopping arcade. And Tanuki Koji shopping street is just nearby. So exploring around this area was really easy. For transportation, the tram station is only a short walk away. And I love the convenience of the airport limousine bus stop is just next street. Overall, I think choosing the Knot Sapporo was a great decision for our last few nights in Hokkaido. It gave us a comfortable space to rest, a convenient location to explore Sapporo, and a nice relaxing ending to our trip. My umbrella over there because it's still wet, so I put it in the bathroom to let it dry. The best place to let umbrella dry because there's like exhaust fan over there. 刚刚 style 头发蓬蓬的裤子 I call it 蓬蓬的裤子 because it's like fluffy, you know. So that is his outfit for today. This is my outfit. Ta-da! Very simple, monotone. We're gonna head out for our dinner and then we're going to Gundam store. My hubby wanna look at some Gundam figurines, you know, guys, boys. The other night when we stayed for one night Sapporo, that area at JR in Sapporo, at night there are not much of stores open. The nearest konbini is Lawson, so we buy our dinner over there. There are not much of restaurants around the area. So if you are a late dinner kind of person, Susukino might be more suitable for you. Bye-bye.